Hey everybody, I was just looking on Google, well, just thinking of stuff to look up, and so I just chose to look up what our makeup is made of, or whatever, because I use makeup all the time. Okay, and here we go. Say many skin creams that are designed to promote luminosity or to smooth the skin contain the brain tissue of cows, pigs, and other livestock. Oh my god, that is so fucking disgusting. Red products, including lipstick, blushes, and shampoo, are often made of a dye product from crushed beetles. Oh my god! Crushed beetles? It is said to take 70,000 beetles to produce a pound of dye. That is so fucking disgusting. Several brand name mascaras include Guano, which is excessively
One is bad shit.
rendered fat feces.
Yeah, it's bad shit. One.
Okay. Okay, Facebook. On YouTube.
So what you doing?
I'm taking all my makeup that I use that is made of that shit out of my mouth. Okay. Lipstick made of fish scale. Fish scale and this shit is nasty. No. I got a big ass container of fucking whatever dead animal. Like, I got another whole container of dead animal of dead brain tissue and shit. Whatever you doing, stop right now. Go to your makeup box and take out your lipstick, your blushes, your your powders to go over your face. Anything that got to deal with makeup, I advise you to take it out because they making it out of all type of shit. And I also want to show y'all, just for y'all don't think that I'm playing. See, all my makeup, well, most of my makeup that I use daily. Come on, turn it on. Okay. You see me, camera? Tell my makeup bye-bye. It's gone bye-bye. Okay. Now here I will continue reading and tell y'all what y'all makeup is made of. Okay. Most lipsticks contains the product of fish scales called pearl essence or pearl scent. As it turns out, the stuff that fish scales splash also makes one lips. But I think you just told me that lip gloss is made out of fish scales.
Yeah, all that is. All that lip powder stuff.
Okay, I want y'all to tune back in with me. I gotta go and throw away a lot more makeup. I gotta go and throw away a whole bunch more makeup. So y'all tune in again, or subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and I'll hit y'all back.